Germaine de Capuccini advances in the understanding of the mechanisms of aging thanks to epigenetics, the latest discovery of science which allows us to influence the behaviour of the genes to improve their performance. In the nucleus of the cells are the chromosomes, an extremely long filament of DNA made up of millions of genes with coded information that, when read, generates proteins, among them those responsible for the skin's youthfulness. Thus our body, our skin and its appearance is the product of the expression of our genes. But if DNA comes from the genetic inheritance, why can two identical twins present different features with the passing of time? Today we know that our environment, the lifestyle, the emotions, to sum up, our history, determines the appearance of epigenetical factors such as the methylation of the DNA or certain microRNA that, without modifying our genes, adhere to them and denaturalize their code. Working like a switch, the genes are turned off and stop generating proteins. Timexpert SRNS, with its new ingredient, Epigenol, modulates the appearance of certain epigenetic factors and their consequences, thus avoiding that the genes are turned off. Again, on the on position, the production of proteins is normalized and the skin recovers its youthfulness. With Timexpert SRNS, Germaine de Capuccini is thus placed at the vanguard of cosmetic science, on the frontier between present and future.